Well, many people are concerned as the Illinois River reaches close to a major flood stage.
Crews have spent the past few days preparing for the flooding.
That's right, and our reporter Janie Bowman is live along the riverfront this morning. Janie, how are things looking behind you?
Good morning, Mark and Shelby. The Illinois River is continuing to rise here in Peoria. Down here at the riverfront, I was just down here yesterday, and it's already changing scene. Right here is normally a walkway, a sidewalk path, totally covered in water. And I want to take you over here. You can see water's also taking over the railroad tracks and even pushing as far as this retaining wall here along Water Street. Now take a look at this graph. As you can see, the river is expected to reach 27.9 feet by tomorrow here down at the riverfront. That's just 1.5 feet away from the all-time record. Now that's also causing concern that it could affect River Station and the businesses inside.
Just within the last 24 hours, water has risen probably about 2 feet, and it's really encroaching the walls.
Peoria Public Works crews are fighting high waters along the Illinois River.
Time definitely isn't on our side. The water just keeps rising.
Crews installed nearly 2,000 feet of sandbag walls along the riverfront on Tuesday and Wednesday, protecting River Station and businesses inside.
It feels like the hits keep on coming a little bit this year.
The owner of Blue Duck Tavern says flooding is becoming an annual event.
We just celebrated our 5-year anniversary. We've had major and minor flooding events almost every year.
Last year, flooding was so bad the business shut down for 4 days.
We are anticipating that we're going to be able to remain open.
River levels are rising in Spring Bay, too.
Live on the river, it does what it wants to, and you just got to get your stuff out of the way.
Parts of Lake Street have become part of the river.
Well, it makes for good fishing right now, but when it goes down, there's one heck of a mess to clean up.
Peoria Public Works crews spent the last 2 days building this retaining wall here of sandbags. It's built to handle up to 30 feet of water levels. And beyond the sandbag wall today, they're going to be installing pumps. Those pumps will take the water that reaches through the wall and pump it right back over onto the other side. For now, live in Peoria, I'm Janie Bowman.